do we do today? What should we do? You want to go for a walk? Yeah? Yeah, should we go walkies? What? You know I have treats here, don't you? Do you want one? Would you like one of these? Yeah? Oh. Can you sit? No? You can't sit? I thought you could. Can you not sit? You're not listening? Good boy. What's that? Want to make any more of a mess? Good boy. You've got it on your nose. You've got it on your nose. Can you sit? This. Can you sit? Can you leave it? Very good. Very good boy. Can you touch it with your paw? Can you touch it with your paw? Try. Try and touch it. Good boy. Good lad.